Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by matching capabilities. Check your phone's PD profiles and the laptop's USB-C input wattage. Once done, pick a phone or power bank that can deliver at least the laptop's minimum input. Make sure to use a certified USB-C PD cable rated for the required wattage. Avoid cheap cables that limit current. Plug the phone into the laptop with the cable. Then confirm the phone shows PD output and the laptop indicates it's receiving power. This first step gets juice flowing quickly. Once connected, activate reverse charging on the phone if it doesn't auto-negotiate. Some phones require enabling OTG or power delivery in settings. Then, ensure the phone or power bank negotiates the highest safe PD tier the laptop accepts. 9V or 12V will charge faster than 5V when supported. Keep the phone cool by removing the case and avoiding heavy apps. Thermal throttling cuts output. Also, close laptop power hungry apps so more incoming power goes to the battery rather than running the system. To finish, charge until the laptop reaches about 80% for a quick top-up, then switch to regular charging to protect battery longevity. If the laptop does not charge, first try a different PD-certified cable or another USB-C port. Reboot both devices and retry the PD handshake. If charging is slow or devices heat up, reduce the PD voltage tier or pause charging to cool down. Excess heat reduces output and can prevent fast charging, so prioritize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.